Hello viewers, welcome back to the lab. This should be a fairly short, simple video. What we're going to be doing is fixing this Xbox One controller. Now this was passed to me by a friend, Alfie. Hi Alfie, how you doing? He asked me to do this because he bought the replacement parts already and then looked at the tutorial videos on YouTube and went, oh, I can't do that. So he's given it to me and asked me to do it. So this should be a quick run through of disassembling, removing the old joystick and soldering in the new one. So it appears the first thing we need to be able to do is separate the plastics. Right, well the first thing we need to get access to is the screw which is under that sticker. So we just need to peel that back. Right, so that's the label peeled back. The screw behind here is a T8, and it does actually have a security prong on it as well, so you'll need one of the bits which does have a hole in the middle. There are other ways to get this out. A small flat bladed screwdriver will also do it if you're careful, but it's always best to have the right bits. So once we've removed that screw, the next thing we need to take off is these two little covers on each side. I'm just going to use a metal spudger and hopefully these should just pop off. Right, so now we have another 4 of those screws to remove. Right, so the first thing we need to do is desolder the old joypad. I think that should, oh yeah, that comes off pretty easy. And do they look the right part? Yes, they do, which is a good sign. Right, this is going to get in the way a little bit. I'm going to use my desoldering pump for most of them, but that one round there, I might use my manual pump just so I don't end up melting this with the desoldering gun. So the first thing I'm going to do, given I want to desolder these, and this will be lead-free solder, I'm just going to reflow all the connections, but with leaded solder. It'll make it a whole lot easier to actually desolder it. Right, so they're all nice and globby. Use my desoldering pump. That's all the points desoldered, so this should come straight out. And let's put that one over there, it's the bad one. So we'll put in the new one. Just there. So I've just soldered one point now. What I'm going to do is reflow that and also press on the button to make sure it's seated nicely home. Now we can just go around and solder up all the connections. So there we have all the points nicely soldered up. So we just have to reassemble now. So all in all, pretty easy repair, that one. You're just going to need a few different things. You're going to need the Torx things, possibly with the security bit, probably a pair of tweezers, a spudger, a decent soldering iron, a decent desoldering system. So you can either use one of the hand pumps like this, or you can use a proper desoldering gun. But yeah, pretty easy repair. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I'll be back very shortly with another video. Bye for now.